Looking for a brand new house and lot for sale in Philinvest Heights Subdivision, Quezon City? Here are the details of this modern contemporary house. This house is located lang po near Batasan Hills and Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. The Philinvest subdivision is a well-secured subdivision na may quiet community at may magandang amenities. Tara, let's check the house. At the entrance, makikita po natin na may electric fence at paikot po ito sa bakod ng house. Sa ground floor naman po, meron po tayong 3-car garage, laundry and service area, at may staff room sa tabi. Then there's a common toilet and bath at ang driver's room. Tara, let's check the second floor. Sa second floor, we have a large solid door na may malaking door handle. Here is our living area and dining area na may magandang wood design sa ceiling. At the back naman po, here is our veranda. Meron pong garden sa likod at sa mga gilid ng house. Then may everyday kitchen sa right side of the house. Then inside the house, here is our white kitchen. May free range hood cooker at oven, may range hood at modern laminated cabinets. At the second floor, we have our first bedroom or our guest room. Then beside the first bedroom, we have a common toilet and bath. Tara, let's check naman po yung third floor. Going to the third floor, maaliwalas po ang ating stairs dahil may large window, malapad na wood planks at may magandang railings. At the third floor, here is our family room. Here is our master's bedroom, maaliwalas, madaming windows, maganda ang laminated flooring. At may maluwag na walk-in closet. Meron din po itong sariling toilet and bath, malaking lavatory, at may shower enclosure. Then here is our third bedroom. Maaliwalas din po siya, laminated po ang flooring. At may magandang cabinet. This bedroom has also its own toilet and bath. Lastly, here's our fourth bedroom. Maluwag din po siya. May sariling cabinets, at may sariling toilet and bath. We hope you like this modern contemporary house and lot in Philinvest Heights, Quezon City. For further inquiries and viewing schedule, please contact us at 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.